Are you live streaming on TikTok but getting no viewers? Streaming for hours and only 2 to 3 people join. So discouraging, right? In this video, I'll show you a software that automatically increases your TikTok live stream viewers, helping you get hundreds of views in just a few minutes. This is the official website of the software, https://mktsoftware.top. Here you can, laptop computer, download the software to your computer. Telephone receiver, get direct technical support. Movie camera, watch detailed video tutorials for each feature. If you'd like to register for the software, just send a message or contact the phone number listed on the website. Our team will guide you step by step. This is the TikTok live stream viewer boosting software that I use every day. The software lets you manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. As you can see on the screen, I currently have 90 TikTok accounts, and these accounts will join and watch my TikTok live streams. You just need to select the seating feature, then choose the live stream seating mode. You just need to enter your TikTok live stream link into the software. This software doesn't just increase live stream viewers. It also offers many advanced features such as Fire automatically boosting likes and follows, Fire adding comments based on your own custom scripts. You just need to select your TikTok accounts and click the start button to let the software run. As you can see on the screen, the software automatically opens each TikTok account, and these accounts will join and watch your TikTok live stream for you. Each account counts as one view. If you'd like to try or purchase the software, visit https://mktsoftware.top or message me directly on Telegram. I'll personally help you install it and guide you one-on-one in detail. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make more tutorials about TikTok and Facebook marketing software. See you in the next video.